little demo. Listen to that. So you touch the snare. Let's say you get a different articulation. And all my drums sound different. You know what I mean? See that? Every time I touch that snare, different articulation. Listen to that piccolo snare. Now why that's important is every time you touch the pad and stuff, you're just going to get a different feel. Look at that. So I touched this pad here, right? And if you listen, there's a little whisper underneath. So yeah, I do stuff like that all the time. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Good day, time. Happen to be low now. Getting so high. Peace.